And I have been learning a lot about the rainforest here in Panama. Here's a couple of facts. Like the tree above me, it's called a Secopia. Now this tree is being studied right now for all of its medicinal properties. It's also a place that we've noticed that the monkeys and the sloths gather to eat the foliage because there are some properties in there besides the protein of the leaf that they're using to help sustain their bodies. It's also home for a lot of birds and, very importantly, bats. If you look close, you can see some of the fruit that's hanging down. Now this fruit is the food for some of the birds, monkeys, sloths, and those same bats. The reason why bats are important is because they are one of the creatures that pollinates the coca plant, or the plant that we use as chocolate. Now this tree grows about 30 meters tall. It's got a beautiful umbrella pattern to it, and it's just a fantastic tree out here. So the next time you're in the rainforest, make sure you check out the Secopia. There's one other fact I want to show you, and that is about a small little butterfly. Come on down here and take a look. It's not these little plants that I thought was so important. It's the things on them. Take a look at this. It's these beautiful blue butterflies. Well, they may seem blue, but they're actually transparent. These little butterflies are pretty prevalent in this area. They have no scales on their wings, probably due to the fact that we get over 400 inches of rain right here. Even though we're in the foothills, we have the influence from the Atlantic Ocean causing so much rain. But look at these closely. You can see right through them. And I'm told that the veining and the blue comes from the pigment on these flowers. That's what keeps them colorized and helps them blend right in with this. This is the cutest little thing, and there's lots of benefits to having butterflies around. I've got one right here. I caught one of these butterflies for us to see how transparent it is. See my finger right behind them? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That means there's no scales on this, so there's no coloration in that area. Now, it's got blue tints, and that's just from the pigment from these flowers. The brown is their natural veining, but you can see all their veins or their vascular system right through here. Beautiful. A little bit of yellow on the backside. Now these butterflies are only about an inch tall, maybe an inch and a half wide with their full wingspan. Beautiful little creatures.